Our robot welding machine learning algorithm auto-generates optimal welding paths from Sunday models, reducing programming time by 75%. Laser-guided positioning ensures optimal torch alignment with transformer components. Real-time arc monitoring adjusts feed speed dynamically. Our proprietary heat management system prevents component deformation. Compared with manual welding, continuous 24%, operation capability increases throughput by 400%. Compared to traditional methods, welded transformer looks better, no cracks, undercuts, or uneven gaps.